Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Hey, here's an engine I'm really proud of actually. It's a Proto 2000 GP30 repatch into Conrail 2168. Got the horns right on both sides, the repatch, the gray train control box, everything else is pretty much standard. I didn't cut the running boards off because of the way that they're mounted on there, but everything else is pretty much dead on. So 567D decoder, LED lighting. And Protos get a bad rap for the way that they run or don't run when they're out of the box. I'll just explain this in my video real quick. The oil that they use, the grease that they use, I don't know what kind of grease they used in the past, but like most of it, it gunks up into the worm gears, and that's why they either run poorly, hesitate, or don't run at all. So if you remove the worm gears on both sides, soak them in, paint thinner for maybe a half an hour, and then thoroughly clean them out and re-oil it, they'll run pretty much perfect. That's all Protos, whether it's a GP30, GP7, whatever. And then they run great. That's notch 1. So all right, thanks for watching. Bye.